Hello! Today, we'll show you how to call Dial directly from n8n to create some AI-enhanced workflows. If you're not familiar with n8n, short for Notamation, it's a workflow tool designed to seamlessly integrate your existing tools and applications to automate certain processes. Dial is an open-source agentic AI platform designed to provide unified access to LLMs, applications, and agents on an enterprise level and integrate painlessly into your enterprise ecosystem. In other words, Dial can provide connectivity to LLMs and to custom agents designed for specific business functions, while n8n automates the tasks and workflows. For this video, we will assume you already have n8n and the Dial node deployed. Please refer to the n8n documentation for installation instructions on your environment and find the required Dial packages in the description. I also already have my Dial API key and Outlook credentials set up. I'll showcase a simple workflow for a basic HR assistant relying on a powerful Dial agent in action. In this flow, we have a trigger set to monitor an email inbox for emails containing support. Next, we call the Dial API, and we select to use an application. This is where Dial shines. It empowers enterprises to create no-code or low-code agents and provides a complete Python SDK for developing complex applications. This specific agent is designed to help employees with HR-related questions based on internal company policies. This is available for all employees from the UI in the Dial marketplace, but like all Dial agents, it is also accessible via API. Let's try it out. As you can see, it breaks its response into many chunks for streaming purposes. We want to beautify this a bit before we send it to the user, so we use a little Python script to parse our HR agent's output. Finally, we want to send the output back to the sender, so we use the from parameter of the incoming email and send the message that we get from the parser. Now that we have confirmed each of the steps are working, we can activate our workflow to begin polling our inbox for incoming messages. I'll send an email from my Gmail account, and you can see in the executions log that the workflow is automatically kicked off when the message is received. And each step executes sequentially automatically, ending with an email to my Gmail inbox. We hope you enjoyed this simple example of Dial seamlessly integrating into an n8n workflow. Of course, this workflow is quite simple. In practice, Notamation allows you to chain together far more complicated tasks than just sending emails, and add elements like human-in-the-loop validation. Stay tuned for more videos about how Dial can help you with your enterprise GenAI needs. Thank you.